Hello lovelies, welcome back to Obama Hub to another new tutorial. So today we'll be doing our Abele with our coconut. So to start with, I first grated and blended my coconut and strained out the juice in it, and we have here some sugar, some condensed milk, and some melted needle with hot water. So first of all, I dissolved my condensed milk into the coconut milk. So I added the condensed milk first into the mixture, and I then added the needle into it, and I gave it a good stir to dissolve everything completely. And lastly, I tasted it, and when the sugar wasn't okay for me, I added the sugar into it. After everything melted completely, I added some melted chocolate into two of my ice cream containers, and I poured in my mixture. You can see my mixture is very light. Trust me, it tastes so nice. The mixture doesn't matter, the taste is what matters. And bet me, this tastes really nice and sweet. If you want your steak as well, you can add some custard or some flour to it to make your mixture so thick. Please, when you're filling the containers, make sure you fill it to the full. Mine wasn't filled to the full, so it left some space in the stick as well. So I took some ice cream containers. I really love the shape of it, and I poured in some of the mixture into this ice cube containers because I love the shapes, and it came out so nice. So this is another ice cube container. So after filling it, I give it a shake to level up everything. So it's ready now. I tied some also in rubber. Yes, you can't forget your Ghana ice cream with this container. Ghanaians really love the shape of this container, so I decided to make one as well, and I placed in my stick to come out so well. So as you can see what I tied, you can do this and sell as well. Yes, ice cream business to get more profit and more income from it. So I freezed this for 8 hours, and this is it. My abele is ready. Coconut abele is the best, and it tastes so nice. Look at this one as well. I added some little chocolate to it, and it came out so well. It tastes so nice. Try this recipe at home and you will love it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for more. Please give a thumbs up. See you on my next video. Bye bye for now. Stay blessed.